Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be a very quick video, but I wanted to make sure that everybody was aware of this brand new amazing option we're going to have through Bernie Craftworks that is going to go live on her website tomorrow at 10:30, which is April 27th. So you guys know that I love my Imprint and I love my diamond dust. What is so amazing and what I'm so excited about is that Heather at Bernie, starting tomorrow, is going to take these two wonderful things and combine them into printed Imprint diamond dust. I'm so excited about this because I think it's going to really allow me to take some of our mums and just take them to the next level. Plus, who doesn't love something new? So I just wanted to give you the quick details on this and tell you to set your alarm for tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Central Time because there is going to be limited quantities. But what she has done is she's going to print on two different diamond dust for right now. It's going to be the soft gold, which is this one. It's the softer gold, and then it's going to be the silver. And so she's going to offer soft gold and silver diamond dust, and then she's going to offer two imprint patterns, and they are Royal Damask and Because. So you can see here on the ones that I have soft gold with a white Because imprint, and then I have silver diamond dust with a navy Because imprint, and then I have silver black with the Royal Damask. Now, I'm not sure exactly what all color combinations there'll be. You'll be able to see that on her website tomorrow. The Because is going to come in the number 5 ribbon, which is the 7/8 inch. The Royal Damask is going to come in a 5 and a 9. So because this is new, she did have to limit the quantities on this first run. So if you are interested in this, I would suggest you get on tomorrow and order this. What I think Rayanne and I have decided we're going to do, because we want to test it out and we love these two patterns anyway, is we're probably also going to order a normal luster imprint in the same pattern and see and play with it and see what it looks like to mix both the diamond dust imprint and the luster imprint of the same pattern together. I'm not positive if it'll be too busy or not, but I'm very excited to try it. And I promise when we get that in, we will definitely show that to you guys. So just a quick reminder, tomorrow, April 27th, this is the year 2024. If you happen to be watching this later, there's going to be limited quantities. It'll be on Bernie Craftworks site, and I will put that down below. There should be a button on the homepage to order it. It will be Because. The Because will be size 5. The Royal Damask will be 5 and 9. It will be offered in soft gold and silver. And the foil colors for now will be navy, black, and white. And she's hoping to be able to offer more going forward. So I think that's it. I told you this was going to be a quick video. I just wanted you to make sure that you knew about it. And I am excited to see what we can do with it. I'm excited to hear from you guys, what you think about it. Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to like or subscribe and hit that bell if you want to be notified when we find new, awesome, amazing things like this. Have a great Friday, my friends. Talk to you soon.